Automate your WhatsApp communication effortlessly by connecting Twilio with Pabbly Connect. This powerful integration allows you to send automated WhatsApp messages for marketing, notifications, or customer service, triggered by events from hundreds of applications. First, ensure your Twilio account is set up for WhatsApp. Navigate to the Develop section, then Messaging, and activate the WhatsApp Sandbox. Take note of your account SID and Auth token, as you'll need them later for the connection. Now, head over to Pabbly Connect. Click Create Workflow and give your new automation a descriptive name. The first step is to choose your trigger application. This is what will initiate your WhatsApp message, whether it's a new form submission, a row in Google Sheets, or any other event you define. Next, add an action step. Search for Twilio and select it from the list of available integrations. Choose the Send WhatsApp Message Action event. Pabbly Connect will then prompt you to securely connect your Twilio account to the workflow. Enter the account SID and Auth token you copied earlier from your Twilio dashboard. This securely links your Twilio account to Pabbly, granting it permission to send messages on your behalf. Once connected, save your newly added credentials to proceed. Now, configure your message details. Input your Twilio WhatsApp number in the From field. For the To recipient, use Pabbly's intuitive mapping feature to dynamically pull the correct phone number from your trigger event. Finally, craft your message body, which can also include dynamic information from your trigger to personalize each message. Finally, perform a test. Ensure everything works perfectly and your message is sent as intended. Once confirmed that the message delivers successfully, save and activate your workflow, and your automated WhatsApp messages are ready to be sent.